Do you remember when making a commercial like this cost hundreds of thousands of dollars? Director Simon Meyer created an ultra-realistic miniature car commercial and shared the prompts on his Instagram. This is a recreation of that video using only GPT-5, Topaz, and Veo 3. GPT-5 is slow, but it remembers that all of your images are related, which keeps consistency across shots. For example, maintaining the correct proportion between the hand size and the VW bus. Midjourney fails to do that. However, one can use GPT-5 images as references for Midjourney, and the consistency improves. I will start using GPT-5 for storyboarding, even if those images are only used as references. Veo 3 limited me to 5 videos despite my very expensive Ultra subscription. Google does not design their tools for real video production. They treat Veo 3 like a toy, even watermarking every image whether you want it or not. Its strength is adding sound, but Kling is probably better at sound. Veo 3 is better at the physics. The other tools move the VW bus in unnatural ways. I'll be rebuilding this spot with GPT-5, Midjourney, Higgsfield, Veo 3, and Kling, comparing what each can do, their strengths, their weaknesses, and the edges where they still need human hands. In conclusion, GPT-5 requires Topaz to upscale, but it's the consistency winner. Until Google takes AI film seriously and allow AI filmmakers to really use the tool, it will remain a TikTok toy. Also, I'll take responsibility for the bad edits. That part's still on me. But even as production evolves, this means that great direction is more valuable than ever. This video is about testing what's now possible when the tools change everything.